Rich people have very fast money. Rich people, the same day the money's in, it's out. People think rich people are sitting on these huge pools of money, and some of them are, the older ones, but the new generation, they don't have huge sums of money. They just have very fast money coming in all the time. Imagine I said to you, you have $20,000 coming to your bank every single morning, 9 a.m. Boom, 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 every day for the rest of your life. You spend all that money. Every day. So now, after spending $20,000 every day, you're in Ibiza, you're on a boat, you're talking to some other millionaire, you find a way you can work together, you start working together, now you make $25,000. Poor people get their money and hoard it like little cowards. They're afraid. So, fast money and slow money are different things. In Hustlers University 2.0, we teach about fast money. I don't teach you how to save more money in a stagnant pool, because that's the way you're listening. If you do that, you're always going to be poor. Think how long it's going to take you to save $1 million. And think how little $1 million is. You're not even rich with $1 million. You can't even buy most houses on a nice street with $1 million. How are you going to have a property portfolio? How are you going to have a supercar collection? I have $10 million of cars. You can't just save money in a stagnant pool. You need to learn how to get fast money. You have to take the money you have and buy the right things quickly so that more comes in, so you can buy more. It's a spiral. It's a tornado that leads up to infinity. And when you get to the top, you're rich like me, where hundreds of thousands a month just appear. And I'm just trying to buy it. Find me houses, find me cryptos, find me cars, how much is the plane? Sure. Send the money away, get rid of the money. I'm trying to spend my money. My money is so quick. This is what Hustlers University is about. This is what we're going to teach you on a smaller scale. It doesn't matter if you have $1,000 a day turning up. If you start to spend that money in the right places, that will become $1,200, $1,400, $1,600. This is what we teach.